So in this VN video editor tutorial, I will be showing you how to add sound effects to video here on VN video editor. So if I were to play this video right here, there's no sound effects added. A couple options above right in the middle, it says tap to add music. Go ahead and select the music icon with the plus. Then once you're here, select insert, go ahead and select sound effects. Once you're here, there's a bunch of different ones you can choose from. You can also search one up as well if you want, but for this example, how about we just use, I don't know, cartoon right here. I'll go ahead and select this one, just that sound effects right there. I'll go ahead and press use. Therefore, if I were to go ahead and play the video right here, not sure if you guys can hear that, but that's your sound effect. If you want to go ahead and edit it, you can edit it. You can press options. You can make it louder. You can make it quieter. Do what you got to do. You can kind of play it this way. If you want to delete it, you can delete it. If you want to add more sound effects as well, you can go ahead and you can do that as well. So if I were to go ahead and play this one right here, let's just play a couple sound effects.
Amazing!
Not sure if you guys could hear that, but you just added some sound effects that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how to add sound effects to video here on VN Video Editor. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.